Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from brameshtechanalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty and USD analysis for the coming few days, because today we have yesterday we had an important Astro date based on Bayer's rules. So now I'm referring to a book, George Bayer's Handbook on Trend Determination. This book was written all the way in 1940, and there are certain astrological rules which works really well in our market. Apart from this, there are a lot of astrological rules, but this is something which I would like to explain you. So now I'm referring to the rule number two, Mars and Mercury speed differential of 59 minutes. So whenever this particular thing happens, the Mars and Mercury, the speed difference, reaches 59 minutes, we tend to see some, fall in the market. So what he's saying is, whenever the speed difference is 15, we are due for a downtrend for about 3 days duration. So whenever this happens, we can see a downtrend for around 3 days. It does not matter whether we have been going upward in trend before, we might have been going in downward, and upon reaching to a differential, we are heading further down. You know, so he has given some examples of 1940. So is it really applicable in our market? So I'll quickly go and check here. So here I've applied there, speed difference between Mars and Mercury is 59 minutes, and it is giving us these lines, which you can see here. And if you can see here, the top on 16 February, it was made on this day, and we had a minimum fall of 3 days. Before that, on this day again we made a bottom and we had a rally for around 2 to 3 days, and after that again we have seen a downtrend. Again, this happened recently around 16th of June. After that again we had a good fall in the market. Let me go a little bit back. You can see here sometimes it works in the opposite direction, you get 3 days of rally also. But generally if you see here, after this the trend is made. So generally on Monday we had a again Mars going in aphelion, and today on yesterday we have this Mars and Mercury going 59 minutes. So generally when two astro dates are coming together, it's better to do an intraday trade, and from today we should see good swing in the market. Otherwise it becomes really difficult to trade such markets. But Astro gives us an edge. So again, see, we are seeing a fall. After that we had a good fall. Here we almost made a bottom. So this rule is working in our market. And another thing which has happened is we are crossing the 99 bar. This technique I've discussed many times. So yesterday was the 99th bar from this 16th May, the 16th February high. As you can see here, we are crossing this 99 bar. And similarly for Bank Nifty also, I'm just giving you an example. This was the low which we found on 22nd December, and the 99th bar happened here. After that we had a big up move in the market. Similarly now we are forming the 99th bar. So these are the two important things. So Gann and Astro both are meeting together again. So be ready for a big move in the market. So now what is the trade plan? The trade plan I'm making is this for Nifty. Above 15,821, it's prudent to go long for a target of 859, 897, 935 and 783 is our stop loss. The range of the market has become really less, and yesterday it was an NR7 pattern, narrow range 7. What it means is the range of the market was lowest in last 7 trading sessions. Whenever it happens, within 1 or 2 days, you tend to see a big move in the market. Similarly, if it breaks 745, then we can go short for a target of 707, 669, 631 and 783 is my stop loss. This is the trade plan for Nifty. Similarly for Bank Nifty, long about 35, 729 and 923, 36, 117, 311 are my targets, and I'll put a stop loss of 31, 35, 535. Similarly, this will be my short level. So if you calculate here, my stop loss is coming around 38 points. Okay, now suppose I'm willing to take a risk of 5,000 rupees per trade basis. So you just divide 5,000 divided by 38. You get around 131 quantity, and divide that by lot size of Nifty, which is 75. So you will be able to trade in around one lot, or maximum if you can increase your risk size to around, the lot size of Nifty is 50 now. So I can trade around two lots. So this is how I can define my position size also with this trade plan. Similarly, if I go and do the same thing for Bank Nifty, and I'll increase my lot size to 25. So a person who can take a nominal risk of 5,000 points, 5,000 rupees, he can trade in two lots in Nifty, and one lot in Bank Nifty. If I increase my risk to 10,000, so this is what is the most important part of trading. You know, you need to define the risk which you are willing to take. Once you define your risk, once you define your stop loss, you have a clear-cut plan. So Astro and Gann give us an edge. Based on that, we prepare a plan. Based on this plan, we prepare a position size also. It becomes very easy for us to manage our trades, and even if the loss is taken, I mean, we should be able to take it. We have both our long level, short levels. So it's a very detailed and documented plan, and this is what leads to a trading success. And this is what I referred yesterday. The probability, when the probability is in my favor, then only I'll go ahead and take a trade. Otherwise, you stay out of the market. So this is a brief video where we discuss about our Astro date, where we discuss about Gann date. I gave you a detailed trading plan. I gave you, the position size also, and a very simple formula for position size. You guys can go ahead and apply it. So practice this. Let's see what market has it in place, whether it will, hit the stop loss or give the money. Let's go and check it, and trade with discipline, trade with the right position size, and get vaccinated. Thank you, guys.